what I think I should maybe do is just move you a tiny bit like out here. Okay, just.
Send me.
Are you happy with what we're talking about?
Yes.
So Andrew, tell us a bit about the kit we have with us today.
We have our IntelliMix Room Kit, the first MTR manufactured by an audio company, with audio being the focus to buy the product and put it in your meeting room. So on the table we've got the core components, which is a computer engine, a touchscreen, and a choice of cameras depending on which one you choose for your room size. And it ships with either 1 or 2 MXA 902s, all in one thing, connected back to the switch that we provide, and makes it super easy to install.
What is the benefit of having all of this sourced from like a single manufacturer?
So as long as you connect all the items together before you power up the PC, it will search the network, search the peripherals, all the audio is passed between the mic and the loudspeaker, the cameras all go in on USB, and so you really don't need to go and configure anything. The IntelliMix Room software runs on the computer and provides automatic mixing, echo cancellation, noise reduction, all the tools that you need to overcome your audio challenges in your meeting rooms.
You talk about one
I mean,
Oh, exactly.
oh my God, am I ruining it?
You weren't doing a lot of the talking, so
Yeah.
What am I doing here? What's Copilot?
What's Copilot? Copilot is the AI engine Teams is putting into all of their infrastructure, taking high quality audio from the Shure ceiling arrays, providing live captioning, meeting recaps, and if you register your voice with Teams, it can allocate on the transcript who you were in the meeting, what you said, even when you're in the meeting room with multiple participants.
So each of the rooms are standalone, but do you have a way that you can manage all of your rooms at once?
There's two ways you can do that. You can monitor them in all the standard MTR platforms, but on top of that, you can monitor your Shure devices in the Shure cloud. You can allocate them all into a centralized dashboard to see which devices are online, which are healthy, and you can push all that from a centralized cloud location.
Perfect.
All right.
Job done. Thanks very much. Thanks for coming. Mic drop. Just kidding. Would never disrespect the microphone like that.